Hey guys, Kat at Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway Northwest, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. And I am here to remind everybody that school starts this Thursday for Cobb County. And what does that mean for everybody? That means you need to get your devices in to have a diagnostic done so that you guys can have those viruses removed, have those diagnostics done. Reminder is that tomorrow is Women Wednesday, so that means that you get a free diagnostic on those computers so that we can let you know what it's going to cost to get those computers up and ready for school to be starting. Or if you even want to, we are doing 20% off on all computers for school year to start for any computer that is over $250. If you have any questions or concerns, come into Computers Plus. We'll get you taken care of, get you started up, and get you taken care of for the new school year and everything that you need and moving forward. If you have any questions, we're here till 7 o'clock today, and we hope you have a great afternoon. Enjoy.